When we do physics problems, we most of the time are going to need to express our answers in scientific notation. And so to work with calculations involving scientific notation, we frequently need to set our calculator into scientific mode. To do this, we'll go to the Mode button. And this, of course, can be done on any calculator, but we feature the TI-84 in our classes. So with the normal mode flashing, that means that that's the mode that it's set to. So if we do this calculation here, 10,000 divided by 2, which of course equals 5,000, it will look just pretty much like this. So I'll type in 10,000, which is 1 followed by 4 zeros, okay, divide by 2, and hit enter, and it gives me the 5,000, 5 followed by 3 zeros. Well, if we want to do this in scientific notation with the calculator reporting the answer in scientific notation, we'll go to the Mode and we'll come over here and change it from normal to scientific mode using the arrow key. And after having landed on scientific, we'll press the enter button, and that now has set the calculator to scientific mode. We can press clear, and now if we do the same calculation, 10,000, 10 followed by 4 zeros, and then divided by 2, and enter, we will get 5E3. Now that's kind of an odd way of showing scientific notation, but that's what our calculator does. 5E3, well, it uses an uppercase E, but whatever. 5E3 is another way of saying 5 times 10 to the third. Okay, so the E just stands for exponent, and it means that the exponent on the 10 is 3. Now, looking at this the other way around, if we need to do actually a calculation and input in scientific notation on our TI-84 calculator, then this is what it looks like on typing into the keyboard. If we want to tell the calculator to multiply 5,000 by 2, we'll type 5, and then we need the button that stands for exponent. It's a second function above the apostrophe here, or comma. So we'll press second, EE, and that puts the E there. And now what we type in next is the exponent we need, which is 3. So 5E3, and then let's multiply normally, press the times button, times 2, and we know we're going to get 10,000 as our answer, but what we're looking for is now 10,000 in scientific notation. So when we touch press enter, we'll get 1e to the fourth. So 1e to the fourth means 1 times 10 to the fourth, which is another way of saying 1 followed by 4 zeros, which is our way, which is how we would write 10,000 if we were not writing it in scientific notation.